Hi guys, that's me, Jarko, and my beautiful BMW 5 Series 5 to 8i. And today we'll be going to replace the trunk lid springs and dampers. They are quite bad as of now. That's the problem I get when I'm opening my trunk. I can't even hold it in place. It just shuts down on me, and several times it has hit my head hard. So that's the thing I'm trying to fix right now. We are going to remove this sealer, this rubber sealer. Yep. Let's start doing it. We need to be very gentle with this. Yep. And let's go on. So we replace all of this stuff right here. Yeah. We go right there. We don't need to remove it fully. We can just leave it like that. We only need to remove it in the same amount that's necessary for releasing that trunk cover. Okay, then we need to take our special tool. That's the tool that's needed for this job. I haven't even tried it yet, but let's do it. So let's pry off the clips. Undo this. Yes, probably I can. So yeah. So one clip was removed from here. Let's drop it in here. Then we need to replace this clip. Let's be gentle with it. Let's not break it. Yep. The clip removed. And then we can just pry off this trunk liner. Yeah. And let us see if we now can lean this away. Yes, we can, probably. Yeah, now we can see the spring itself. I'm not sure if we... Yeah, probably we will have to remove this plastic cover too. It's not too difficult. We have 4 clips. One here, then here, and then here, and then the last one. The last one is somewhere here. Yeah, that's it. So let's do it. One relieved. Second, third, and this one. To remove it. Let's be gentle with it. Let's not break it. And then we can take this cover off. Yeah. Just need to pry it a bit like that. Although maybe there's something holding it against it. No, it's okay. And away goes the cover. Now I can undo it easily, probably. Maybe we need to open this one. And then we can, yeah, sure. Hunt it down. Yeah, but we need to be careful, and we need to unplug this connector before we release the whole trunk cover. Now that the trunk cover is released, we can pull this trunk lid liner a little bit more far away from the spring. And actually, yeah, you can see the point where the spring and the damper is attached to the fender, and the point where this spring is attached to the trunk lid itself. Oh, now we're going to pull it again like that. I don't know why I can't do it better. Oh, no. Now probably you can see it better. Then we need to take a good grip. Yeah. And then we remove that spring from its trunk lid holder like this. Okay, now we can take it away. And then we need to check the number of it so that we could change it properly. Oh, here's a number. It says something. Can't even see how much. Oh, here we go. And we have to pull the same damper spring, side specific. So that's the left one. We need to take the same left one and install it to its place. Yep. Now that we have the correct part, yeah, let's just be aware that this end right here, it goes there to the fender, and this one is going inside and it hooks upon the trunk lid itself. Yeah, let's try to install this. Yeah, now we have it. Okay, and we're going in and we're hooking this upon the, yes, check. Yeah, it's there. It's there. Yeah, it's on the correct side. And then you need to link this thing here. Yeah, let's try to do this. I won't be able to unless I need to just do this and there it. And let's try and let's try to do this and push it real hard. Yeah, finally I managed to pop this in. That was pretty difficult. I mean, that was not too difficult, but it needed just a little push, and now it's done. So now we have to repeat this on the other side. And now we've repeated this on the other side. Now it's holding in place tightly, very nicely. Yeah, that's all done. Yeah, that's hooked over there and pushed tight over here, so it's now in place. So now we have to assemble everything and we have to clean up this mess. And now we have to assemble everything nicely. We take this, we put it inside this trunk liner, we align it so that everything was smooth. Then we take those clips and we clip them in place, just like that. And another one in here, other one's here. Yeah. Let's put this one. Yeah, and let's clip it so it's tight. Yeah, now it's done. And we need to remember that we have one hidden inside of the trunk. Yeah, just in here. Yep. aligned the hole correctly, and we take it in place. Yeah, and here we repeat the same process we have been doing on that side. Let's install this fender liner nicely, like that. Yeah, push it here. Let's align all the sides. Let's not forget about this emergency fuel tank opener. Put it in place. Then we take those clips and just push them into their correct places, just like that. Yeah. And another one, and here. Yeah. Okay, just like that. And the hidden one. Here we go. Let's install this over here, like that. Yeah. Then let's close this thing. Interesting how it goes. Yeah, it goes like this. Goes smoothly. Yeah. So this is ready. And let's install this trunk panel, this plastic trunk panel. Yeah, we put it like that. We need to align it nicely. Yeah, oh, it's already set in place. Then we take, we have forgotten to connect the power outlet. Yeah, let's do it like this. Let's not forget those things. Now we need to ease it in gently so that it's set in place. Yep. Then we take the clips and clip them in place like that and like that over here. So that's all done. Yeah. And now we have to place the sealer. Yeah. So let's put in the sealer. It needs to be done nicely, because once it's done wrong, the trunk lid won't close properly. Tightly and well fitted in. Yeah, let's have it done. Yeah, now everything's on its place. The sealer sits nicely. Everything is assembled correctly. Yep. And now we can test close our trunk. Hey, and it closes. Does it open? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So, this problem officially fixed. The trunk springs and dampers are replaced. Yeah, now it closes nicely, and yay, it opens nicely. So, thanks for watching. See you. So now my beauty is ready to go. It's all done, and it's all done, and ready to go.